In a quiet corner of the world, a young woman named Mary was chosen for a miracle greater than fear itself. She carried hope in her heart before she carried a child in her arms. Jesus was born not in a palace, but in humility, surrounded by silence, stars, and a mother's gentle love. Mary watched him grow, heard his first words, felt his small hands reach for hers. She knew he was special, yet she loved him simply as her son. When he healed the sick and spoke of love, she stood quietly behind him. When the world turned against him, her heart carried a pain no words could hold. At the cross, Mary did not turn away. She stayed because love never leaves. And even after sorrow, faith remained. From Mary's devotion came a story that changed the world, a story of sacrifice, compassion, and eternal love.